Alright, so hi guys. So we're out and about. As you can see Papa is behind me. Ugh, Papa is behind me. Like those of you can really see me. But you know, we're here and it's New Year's 2020. It's gonna be an awesome year and I'm really excited for what is to come. Blessings are ahead, great things are ahead. Michelle is right here watching her phone. Say hi, Michelle.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, this is Michelle though.
Hey.
Greater things are ahead for 2020 and we just want to say
My face so big in Jesus Christ.
I think so.
But I like that one, yeah.
So guys, take two. Here's Michelle.
Yes. Hey. Hi guys. Happy 2020.
Oh my gosh. Look, watch the fireworks over there. Oh my gosh. We just hit a while ago. We're excited guys because we're going to fireworks tonight. We're kickstarting 20 on a good note. A good note.
A good note.
And who no like we, I'm sorry for them because them rotten teeth are gonna hurt them. Bye.
Bye.
2, 1. Happy New Year! Made it! 2020, we made it. We made it.
We sure did.
We made it. 2020, jeez. 2020.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, Lord. Let me put on the glass for just a minute. Wow, guys, we made it to 2020 though. Hey, 2020, and I'm here.
New Year's resolution is peace and love and blessing to all mankind.
Aww, that's Uncle David there. Michelle, what's a New Year's resolution?
I don't have none.
Guys, wow, we made it to 2020 and boy, blessing on top of blessings and prosperity in the years to come. We're excited for the new year and to see what's in store. Jeez, 2020. Michelle, I forget a word, Michelle.
Yeah, but I have no resolution. For real, but I'm happy I made it. Thank you, Jesus. Amen.
Uncle David, 2020.
Peace and love. 2020.
Yay. So, guys, stay tuned. From all angles, guys, you can hear the fireworks in the background. I can't see them. I can't see them, but I can hear them. 2020. Wow. So I'm seeing some action, guys, but it's just so far away from the house. We can see from here, though. And then, these are people that them on fireworks, guys. Alright, so guys, let's finish celebrating 2020. I want to say to everybody, prosperity, blessings, progress, whichever one I say, it doesn't really matter. But either of the two, for you, your family, your loved ones. For me, 2020 is going to be more goal-oriented. It's going to be more focused on me achieving my aspirations in terms of the YouTube realm and social media. So stay tuned for that's gonna be so epic and so lit. Stay tuned for that. I have such great content planned ahead coming. It's not even funny the magnitude of which I'm planning to really step out in 2020 with the help of God. We made it one more year. God has been faithful, and I'm just reflecting on 2019 and saying to myself, a lot of people didn't make it now to 2020, you know. And so I'm really grateful for one more year of life and entering a new decade. It's really amazing, really amazing. So guys, I'm really excited. I'm beyond excited. I'm trying to stay calm because it's after midnight. I'm trying to stay calm and we have champagne, but I'm trying to stay calm and it's really nice. So blessings and peace, guys. Peace. Oh, now stop.